Nasarani, good morning and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My goodness, I'm holding a snow in my hand and I was trying to go to the store, but I guess I'm not gonna be able to go because my car, it has the snow all over the windows. Oh, even if I try to, but my goodness, just so much snow on my car. So trying to clean it off before it's all over. So much the snow. And it's cold. Oh my goodness. That's my update. Snowing in Vancouver, March 14, 2020 at maybe 10 o'clock in the morning on a Saturday. Okay. So once again, thank you very much for watching my Chuki's video YouTube channel. Please come back again for more videos. If you are a fan of Chuki's videos, please do not forget to do the subscribe button and also the bell notification bell. So please come back again for more videos. Kitty so banana.